They say motherhood is natural, but sometimes, even nature needs a little help. That's where the manual breast pump comes in, simple, quiet, and so powerful in its own gentle way. For many moms, it's more than a tool, it's freedom. It helps you express milk anywhere, anytime, without needing batteries or outlets. It fits easily into your bag, and it gives you control. You decide the rhythm, the pace, the comfort. Manual pumps are perfect for those quiet moments, at work, on the go, or in the middle of the night when your baby's asleep. They help relieve engorgement, maintain your milk supply, and store milk for when your baby needs you most. It's proof that sometimes, the simplest things make the biggest difference. Because motherhood isn't about doing it all, it's about doing your best, one drop at a time. And in those small moments, when you hear that soft suction sound, when you finally fill a bottle with love and care, you realize the manual pump isn't just helping your body, it's supporting your heart. It's every mama's quiet companion, turning effort into nourishment and love into milk.